Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your device. That's the legal and safe route. Once you've confirmed ownership, make sure the phone has battery and a stable connection so processes won't fail. If you can, gather the original Google account email, backup PIN or password, and purchase receipt. These expedite official recovery. Don't attempt third-party exploits. Instead, prepare account recovery options and locate any physical paperwork. This protects your data and keeps you within authorized channels. Next, use built-in, sanctioned tools so you can regain access without damaging software or warranty. Sign in to your Google account or use Find My Device to ring, lock, or erase if those options are available. For manufacturer locks, follow OEM portals for account relinking or reset procedures. Each vendor documents recovery flows. If that fails, contact your carrier or an authorized service center and present ownership documents. They can verify and apply official unlock or reset services safely. Finally, treat a factory reset as your last resort because it erases local data. Make sure any cloud backups are intact first. Once reset, follow the guided startup and sign in with the original Google account to avoid factory reset protection issues. If you still can't sign in, escalate with OEM support and provide proof of purchase so they can lift account locks. Troubleshooting tip: if activation is denied, confirm the account email exactly and request official escalation rather than using unverified bypass tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.